In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a smooth slow-mo effect using the Twixtor plugin in After Effects. Before we begin, make sure your clips are set at 60 FPS for this to work perfectly. To start off, activate the motion blur for your clips by checking these boxes, and also activate the frame blending options too. Now right-click your layer and press on pre-compose and check the second option right here and then click OK. Do this for the other layer as well. After that, go to the effects panel and, assuming you already have the Twixtor plugin installed on your machine, add the Twixtor Pro effect onto your layer. In the effect controls, uncheck this box right here and set the frame rate to 60. Next, set the frame interrupt to motion weighted blend, set the warping to this exact option right here. And then after that, keyframe the speed setting and leave it at 100% for the starting point. Move to the middle of your layer and drop the speed down to 50%. Now move to the end and reset the speed value back to 100%. Press U on the keyboard and select your keyframes. Right-click them and expand the keyframe assistant option and then click on Easy Ease. Now go to the graph editor and copy my exact graph. Okay, now to copy these exact settings onto your other clips quickly, select the Twixtor effect and right-click it. Click on copy and then add the Twixtor Pro effect onto your other layer. Now make sure to place the time indicator at the start of your second layer, and then in the effect controls, right-click the Twixtor effect and click on paste. That's pretty much it for this video. The presets and the project file are on my Patreon. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.